Hello guys, welcome back to Churro Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to unlock your Apple ID. If it is fixed, this Apple ID has been locked for security reasons on your iOS 14 as well as 13, and how you can fix this up. As you can see that now the Apple ID has been locked, and how you can completely fix this up. So before getting into let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is, when you're having this, you just have to tap on the unlock account. You just have to tap on it. Then you just have to follow the next instruction. Now they're asking you have to give the number which is already been written over there, right? As you can see, it is finishing with 50, so you have to give the same number over there. So you have to type the same number. Once the number is given, you just have to tap on next option at the top. Now it is asking for a verification code, because there are two things I would like to make you notice, you guys, which is very important. So if your Apple ID is being logged in multiple devices, for example, I'm having iPad as well as one more iPhone also. If it is being logged into this, you'll be definitely getting a option, like you'll be having two options, like continue with the iPhone as well as some other will be there. But here I haven't logged in any other iOS devices. So it is asking me the verification code method. So here what happens is, I'll be receiving a verification code and I have to write the respective code and I have to continue further. And now it is asking for the Apple ID password. So you have to give the respective password of your Apple ID. Once it is done, you just have to tap on next option at the top. Now it is asking for ready to unlock, so you just have to tap on unlock account. Now as you can see that your account has been unlocked successfully, and you have to go for done option. So guys, now you have to give the passcode of your iPhone. So guys, now it is all done and it is completely unlocked, and this is how you can do this up. And before getting into that, I would like to make you notice once again, if you are logged in the multiple devices, you will be having another option, but here I haven't done so I've got this option. So this is what it's all about it, and now that this is what it comes to it. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.